Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
I can't even tell if I'm targeting her or not. Wait, 5-up, are you? No!
Oh no, somebody died. Not again.
No!
I haven't heard 5-up's voice since we started.
I was trying to get Janet. I was trying to get Janet. Oh god.
It has to be, right? Actually.
I can't tell if I'm targeting her. Her thingy is so big. I can't believe it wasn't 5-up. I can't believe.
Sheriff killed him.
I thought it was on Janet.
So he was aiming for
He
you.
tanked the bullet. He tanked it for her. How much did he pay her off? I thought I was getting Janet.
What a shame.
I couldn't see the targeting well because of her giant sign.
If you kill Janet, I will turn a blind eye.
Oh
I
Jesus!
too will turn a blind eye.
It's the sign. It's OP.
Let's just have some
It's
fun
OP.
selling cupcakes.
I don't think rape jokes are funny. I don't give a fuck about anything. Like, literally, in general, rape jokes aren't funny. If you think they're funny, or if you're coming at me and saying like, oh yeah, it's just like, I have dark humor. People's pain is not really funny to me. Not in like that sense, like, oh, you fell in a banana peel, haha. No, they're not comparable. Like, that's not dark humor. You are hurting others. You are literally making fun of someone's traumatic experience. Or a traumatic experience in general. It's not funny. It won't be funny. I'm gonna tell you it's not funny. I hope to make you uncomfortable by telling you that it's not funny, but like, some people are just young and impressionable. Like this 15-year-old guy who you run into in Valorant, and like they just literally have not experienced anything outside of their...
that one.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Morphed as me. Kimmy morphed as me. You messed up big time, Kimmy.
Really? Okay, DK.
Wait, Koji just died because she was trying to kill me! Go!
I would bust a nut.
Cock.
Oh,
He is
sorry.
elbow, he is elbow.
Elbow. His gun sticking out. Nice! Oh, that was sick!
Go teabag him.
Holy shit! Oh my god.
Oh my god, Toast. I was like, you think of like anime and like it's like kind of weird, but then like when my dance teacher did it, I was like, wow, that's actually supernatural. And I was like, oh, that's
It's
cool.
charming if they do it
It's
right.
charming.
You should
Why,
be
why,
left-handing your placements. No, no, no.
What do you mean? I did really bad. The
Did
last.
Ah! Oh my god, sorry! Ah!
Yeah, not great, not
My
great.
leg
I have
fell
a
off
loss
the
in there.
stand!
Hmm.
That was so scary.
Fine,
Okay,
Ryan.
alright, I'm gonna throw on this one.
Oh, that was terrifying. Okay, sorry.
Got
guys,
this. I'm
sorry
gonna do
about that,
bad
sorry.
on this one.
Hey, can we all just throw a game?
I'm playing Brim.
I'm a genius! I'm a genius! I'm the smartest sheriff you've ever seen.
You killed
So,
Janet?
I stood right on top of a vent in a random corner and I said, only an imposter would show up here. And here.
Assuming if it's open. Good luck.
I see how this works now.
Oh, shit! Oh, no, no, no!
Oh, you're locked in here.
No!
really? I was doing silence.
Wow. What just happened?
Oh,
Sheriff?
Sydney,
Two
poor
Sykkunos.
Sydney. She did not know that I was the sheriff. That's why I asked Brooke if she had any susses. I was gonna shoot the first person she saw. Unfortunately, Sydney transformed into me for some foolish reason and didn't know I was the
Legend.
sheriff. Okay, actually, it wasn't foolish at all because she didn't know. But that's besides the point. The point was she turned into me, and then I killed myself, who was her.
Oh, wait,
Like a
Let's
genius.
4 months poggers. Thanks for always making us
Wait, it
feel
actually
so
was
safe,
Sydney.
and
Wait, DK,
comfortable.
you actually are. Look, I have a
mean,
confession.
Wait, DK, who's the other person that was with us?
Me.
Morphling is so hard!
What the? Let's go. Like, get
Could have been sparkling water.
It could have been sparkling water.
Sparkling water.
Thanks for coming in. Describe yourself in one word. Tired. Can he just do that?
Day to save lives, people.
Same. But back in the day, he didn't like to share his things.
Yeah.
So I remember going to like one of his first birthdays. I probably was like maybe like 8 or 9.
Yeah.
And
How old is he?
he's 2 years behind me, so he had been like 7.
Okay.
7 or 8 or something like that. So, man, so we go to the birthday party. So all the kids, we gotta go sing happy birthday for him or whatever, and we're chilling and like so everybody's ready to get some cake. So my man spits all over the cake, just spits all over the cake in front of everybody. I never forget that. No one ate the cake. He just was like, like intentionally. I was like, what the?
He did it on purpose.
Just spit all over the cake. I'll never forget that as long as I live.
What's so funny? What's so funny?
You spit on your birthday cake when you were 7 so no one could eat it?
It wasn't on purpose, but that ended up happening.
I don't know, man. My man's wasn't playing no games with nobody.
So thanks.
I'm glad you're having fun. Oh wait,
So-
I picked something up from you. I mean, I picked these for you. A swing and a miss. Yo, Vern, welcome back for 3 months. Vulture, welcome back for 14 months. Zion, welcome back for 20 months.
I didn't know that was gonna kill you.
I'm gonna toss out a word. Do you feel inadequate? Sure, of course. Everyone does. Yes, everyone, but I think for you, like, let's admit it, and I think your mind deviates away from this, right? It's not gonna be logic that pokes a hole in this. Usually my experience with people who are super into logic is that if their logic is incorrect, they get really, really angry, and then they just can't see that their logic is wrong. It doesn't change. The two are completely unrelated. Like how the fuck? Just look at that. It's absurd. Think about it. Even now, the way that when you get mad at yourself, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Sounds like you were just a loser. Huh? So, a loser and a failure. What do you mean by those words? There's something inherently wrong with you. Okay.
It's okay either way, but I'll be back in a little bit. I have to go take a shower, and I'm not going to bring you guys with me. But this movie is a Small Ant Video, who's one of my favorite creators and a fellow streamer and friend on Twitch. And he made a video detailing how Super Mario Odyssey was beaten in under 1 hour. So if you guys want to react with friends in chat, have fun. If not, also have fun. And I will be back in probably about 15 minutes to watch the end after I'm done showering. All right, see you soon.
Sub-hour is impossible, guys. So, I mean,
Thank
there's
you
no
again,
way
Sykkuno.
anyone could get sub-hour. It's literally impossible, guys.
It's not possible. Let me just say it. It's not. Humans cannot get sub-hour. We're just not going to do it. In theory, yes, it's possible, but I don't think so. I don't know. I don't see it happening.
Sub-hour is not going to happen. Like, literally, it will never happen. I legitimately don't think it will ever happen. Personally, that's my own opinion.
Someone record him saying that just in case it does happen.
I'll let him go through that first, not me. That was close.
Or a canteen. Need a canteen, Max?
Isn't it cold? Someone's about to blow up.
I have a water bottle.
Someone's about to blow up.
I'll use the canteen. I don't know which one holds more.
Hey, Ella, come here real quick. You said you had that. You said you had that MK2, right?
Yeah. What the? No!
What the fuck?
No! He died?
What the fuck happened?
God damn it! No! Poor guy.
That was a fucking landmine. What the fuck?
Did that hurt you too?
No, it didn't.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
I've never seen that before.
That's your answer. Have you found the missing answer? Let's find out. Oh no, strike 3. This round is getting thrown over to the other side. If this family finds just